Hello and welcome. In this video, we will demonstrate how to configure Connectivity Fault Management, or CFM, and diagnose Ethernet connectivity on a FortiGate. CFM is an Ethernet Operations, Administration, and Maintenance, or OAM, protocol that uses Ethernet frames to provide end-to-end fault management. It bridges a gap in traditional Ethernet, which lacks built-in tools to proactively detect, verify, and isolate connectivity failures. This feature is supported through the CLI only. Devices within the same CFM domain and same service level can communicate with one another, as we can see here. The core firewall has two CFM domains, one connecting it to the production edge firewall and another connecting it to the office firewall. The core firewall can communicate with both devices. In this example, we use 3 FortiGate devices to demonstrate a scenario in which communication between the core firewall and the production edge firewall is working normally, while the CFM connection between the core firewall and the office firewall has failed. Here is the CFM configuration on the core FortiGate. 2 CFM domains are configured, one for the production firewall and another for the office firewall. The domain name and service name must match on all devices within the same CFM domain. The interface setting specifies the VLAN interface on which CFM listens for messages. The Maintenance Association Endpoint, or MEP-ID, identifies the local MEP. The sender ID identifies the device transmitting the CFM messages. A FortiGate can use its hostname as the sender ID. Apply the corresponding CFM configuration to both the production and office firewalls. CFM communication should then work as expected. To verify neighbor discovery, run the Diagnose Ethernet OAM CFM peer command. The output displays information such as the link status, peer MAC address, domain name, and service name. In this test, the production firewall information is displayed correctly, while the office firewall information is absent. This indicates that the CFM connection to the office firewall has failed. To verify the Ethernet layer connection, use the Ethernet ping command to determine whether the peer MAC address is reachable. In this test, we perform an Ethernet ping from the core firewall to the production firewall. The command includes the CFM interface and the peer MAC address obtained from the previous command. The Ethernet ping succeeds, confirming that there is no Ethernet connectivity issue between the core firewall and the production firewall. The previous CFM peer command displayed no information for the office firewall, indicating that its CFM connection has failed. However, if the peer device's MAC address is known, we can still perform an Ethernet ping from the core firewall to the office firewall. This helps determine whether the issue is related to the underlying Ethernet connection or to CFM messaging. In this test, the Ethernet ping fails, indicating an Ethernet connectivity issue between the core firewall and the office firewall. This concludes our demonstration of configuring and troubleshooting CFM over a VLAN interface. Thank you for watching.